Welcome to the bold, the blue, and the beautiful Tablescape. Hosted by me, myself, and DIY It, Miss Tammy. Co-hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Miss Marilyn. And also co-hosted by Easy Living with Elle. The link to these lovely ladies' channels will be in my description box. Make sure you show love and support. Okay, let's hop right into this beautiful table. Right here, this particular plate is a DIY of mine. I wanted to add some blue sparkle to it, so I added 2 blue sparkle DIY plates with my candles as my centerpiece, my T initial candles. And I also have my flower vase, which is a DIY also, a part of my centerpiece. And I decided to add the yellow lemons to give the table a pop. I went with very bold colors, yellow, orange, pinks, and I also did different variations of blue. I have dark blues and softer blues, and I do have a small hint of green. I also decided to add decorative gems and decorative stones to add a pop to the table. Now I'm showing you another glimpse of my DIY plate, which I did myself. I used my champagne glass and a regular drinking glass as my glasses for this table. I have one on each side. This is my DIY glam piece that I made. I really love it. I love how all the colors came together. They are bold but so beautiful. I love how I incorporated the different variations of blue in my plate. It has like a turquoise blue and the royal blue mixed within that. And I love that. Everything looks so good. It's so beautiful. I really love how I have my glam, but I still have my beautiful simple settings with a touch of glam. Thank you for watching this beautiful Tablescapes. Make sure you show all the hosts love, and also make sure you check out the playlist at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.